So one of the things I always ask everybody is the direction of technology and AI in their industry. How is that impacting you today? Or if it is, it isn't, or is it just kind of just a lot of chitter chatter hype right now?
Yeah, I don't think it's chitter chatter hype. I think AI is going to embed itself in all aspects of our life. I feel like it's there in many ways already. Some aspects of dentistry I think can be affected more by it than others. Endodontics can be helped by AI, I see, but I don't think it can be replaced. The things that we do to get down a canal efficiently and correctly, it's so nuanced. It's a thing of like feel combined with intuition to go down a canal. That sounds silly, right? But it's actually kind of true, right? And the more I've understood, the better endodontist I've been. So when I first started, I would be really mechanical. I follow all the rules. I was trained at a great place. Loma Linda is a fantastic program, and so I would follow all my little rules, and I would produce a quality root canal, but I couldn't do it nearly as easy on the patient or as consistently successful. Whereas as I started to develop, start to kind of try and have faith in myself and believe what I thought was there. So this sounds silly, but sometimes I won't look at what I'm doing to feel what I'm doing. And I became better by doing that. And so like when I go down a canal a lot of times now, I won't look inside the chamber. I'll imagine where I feel like the canal should be, and then I'll go there. Now that's super helpful in a case I can't see, right? Because I get a lot of cases. It's like, oh, I did one the other day. You can't see the tooth, man. You can't. And so you kind of get an idea where the tooth is, and you're like, it'll be right there. And then it is. And and I don't know how AI is going to beat me
That's
on that.
that's no.
But we've been considering AI to take chart notes.
Yeah.
Apparently, there's a program out there. You know about this. We
Mhm.
probably talked with you about it, but a program out there where it will listen and it's smart enough to decipher when I'm talking to build just a relationship of trust, like, hey, it's a beautiful day. I see you got a suntan. Did you go to Florida or whatever?
Mhm.
That's not going to be recorded. But then when I switch and say, let's talk about this radiograph, I can see there's a radiolucency apical to number 18. This, in layman's terms, would be an abscess. I think you've got an infection. Let's talk about it. It would grab all of that. So it knows how to decipher all that. Now, one of the great impediments to early assistance in their training is they can take the x-ray, they can set up the chair, they're ready to go, but then when they start to try and interpret and record what I'm telling the patient as far as diagnosis and prognosis,
Mm.
they're lost.
Yeah.
I use a whole bunch of dental terminology, they can't get write it down fast enough, they're not interpreting kind of what I'm saying, or they're missing a key point. Like I may in that whole discussion I may have said, due to there being a silver filling here, I really suspect a fracture. If this fracture goes deep, we may lose the tooth. They may not write that down. Now that's super important because later when I'm in there working and I use a microscope to check for that fracture, it's there, you know, I needed them to already say, yeah, doctor, you talked about that, right? That need to be recorded. This AI technology will grab all of it because it knows keywords. It knows how to listen. It may record. I don't know how it does it. I imagine it probably kind of listens to all of it and then eliminates what's unnecessary. But who can do that? My best assistants after 15, 20 years of training do that. Now I can have all 8 operatories do it and my assistant could be doing something else,
Yeah.
right? She'll probably be in the room, but she might be setting up the x-ray or setting up the tools.
So from a practice standpoint, still early stages, not really leveraging,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
really using it. Um,
And sometimes in error. I get a lot of referrers that will send me images where
mhm.
their AI software has tried to identify um, important information in a radiograph, right? Where's decay? Where are bone levels? Where's there an abscess? They're wrong.
Oh, really?
And
See,
in
that
fact,
is intriguing to
I've
me.
gone to some of them and I've said, I know you have the software, but when you send me a radiograph for me to get a pre-interpretation, I always do my own, right? You have to,
Right?
but I'd like a pre-interpretation. It's all marked up with your AI junk and I can't see what's truly there. And it's wrong a lot of the time.
Oh, no
Now that's a
kidding.
problem because you think about that. If you throw this AI on, let's say the doctor's interpreting it and he's bought into the software
Mhm.
and he gets it and he says, run the software and it AI says, well, here's a lesion, here's your bone levels. Now it's got all the marker stuff. Now he can't see what's truly there. He should use his own knowledge and experience to interpret what's there. And I know that's a possibility for error. And we're trying to get rid of that by standardizing through AI. But AI has obliterated the truth now and demanded that you see what they see. Now they're wrong. They're wrong a lot. That's dangerous.
See that?
I don't like that. I don't like
No,
that at all. So
no.
I think can be a detriment, and maybe it will become more refined. But right now we're playing with people, and I don't want to play around with
Well,
health.
yeah, that's people's
Yeah,
well-being and health, and that's really intriguing because that's one of the things I know that I've seen in a lot of other
yeah.
practices.
You see it
The
come up.
general
Yeah,
family dentists, right, where
yeah,
they're talking about it. Some of them are trying it out. Some of them are
yeah,
using it. But it's really interesting seeing that from your
yeah.
perspective, where you're getting that stuff from them.
But it's a double-edged sword, right? So maybe as many times as maybe I think it hurts, maybe it's helping. Maybe they weren't going to see it in the first place. And I don't know. I don't
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
But I don't like it because I trust myself and I've seen a lot of radiographs
Okay.
and I verify it with my own stuff. And so I see when it's erroneous too.
Well, I think there's two things. I
And
mean,
it's a double-edged sword.
in the AI world, there's two things. There's the hallucinations, which are either it just makes stuff up, or it's just wrong, right? Or it could
Yeah.
just be wrong, like touched on. But you're always supposed to verify it. The
Yes.
human element is
Yeah.
doesn't AI doesn't or shouldn't eliminate the human element.
And maybe
It's
it's possible for them to strip that off and review it. But I would encourage them to do it, right?
right.
Yeah.
Well, no,
Don't trust but verify.
I'm really glad you shared that
Yeah, it's
because that's
interesting.
kind of the type
Yeah.
that's the kind of insight
Yeah.
that I'm really intrigued about and that I'm looking for is like how's it
Yeah.
helping? How's it hurting? And where are we at right now? How's it going to evolve? And so
And in
yeah, it's
medicine,
there.
you wanna adopt technology early
Mhm.
because it's gonna improve things. But you have to do it with such caution
Yeah.
because you know more about AI than I do.
Yeah, there's AIs all over the place, right?
Yeah.
And it's kind of like the Wild West. There's a lot of people are excited about it. There's a lot of hype. But what I see is most people like, I don't even know how to use it. I don't even know
Yeah.
where it's applicable to me. I don't even
Yeah.
know how. I mean, besides the personal stuff or the chat GPT,
Yeah.
I have a question. Help me. What do I need
Yeah.
to do
Write
with
this
this,
email.
right? Or
Yeah.
write this email or write this, but the truly business impacting, game changing stuff is just not even scratching the surface yet.
Yeah.
Right. And it's just because the general population we just don't know.
Yeah.
Right. For me, though, I mean, I'm starting to dig deeper. I've dug deeper into and just trying to automate things. Like,
Yeah.
what is it that I'm doing on a regular basis, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, that I can just set aside and assign
Automate. Yeah.
AI to do it, right?
That
And
boosts productivity tremendously,
which,
right?
well, yes, and that's where I get excited.
Mhm.
But I also see a lot of, I don't know that I want to say time wasted, but time invested
Mhm.
in trying to figure out what will work. And then
Yeah.
in a business like mine or in other businesses or clients,
Yeah.
I've seen everybody get hyped up on AI and then you have five people trying to do the same thing
Yeah.
or duplicating efforts with their now
Yeah.
access to AI.
Yeah.
And so then there becomes a real efficiency. And at the end of the day, what do you really end up with? And does it really help the business? Or are we just spending a lot of time on the latest and
Yep.
greatest toy?
Yeah, and it can be a lot of time. I've tried figuring things out and wasted hours and hours and hours, and you could just
Uh,
go do it. Yeah.
but I mean, even just as recent as this week though, that I figured some stuff out that I'm doing stuff with it
Yeah.
that I'm absolutely just like, this is game changer. This is
Really?
awesome. Yeah, like and what I'm finding though is a lot of times it's not it's things that I just would have never done before
Uh-huh.
because I don't have the time to invest in doing it.
Yeah.
Things that I've wanted to do, things that have been on my this would really help, but I don't have the hours and hours to make it happen. So now leveraging AI, I've been able to build that out and now it's actually a reality.
Yeah.
So to me, that's where it's helped out significantly. Just stuff that and that should be nice to do, but I'm never going to get to it because I don't have the time.
Yeah.
Now I do.
I mean, for sure, AI is going to lift all boats.
Yeah.
Productivity is going to increase. GDP is going to increase. It just has to. World GDP.